Hello, I'm attorney Lee Marvin here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I practice immigration law. And there's a couple updates that I wanted to provide today. You may have noticed some things in the news about facial recognition software and how that relates to immigration. Immigration officials are starting to use this technology to access the databases from different states for licenses to try to detect and find people that were ordered deported or have other immigration issues. The reason this is a problem is because normal law enforcement requires a higher level of scrutiny for approving those sorts of requests. And the immigration officials are not actually going through that process because it's so new. There's never been a process developed for them to follow. So what they're doing is sending email requests to different states for individuals with information so that the state can run the background check to confirm or deny whether that person is actually in their community. Not very good for immigration. There's not a whole lot that anyone can do if they already are in that database, but there's a lot of pressure right now for the government to restrict that sort of activity and those sorts of requests from ICE. On a lighter note, there's been improvements regarding DACA recipients and people with no traditional legal status in the United States in order to obtain professional licenses in about 10 different states right now, but there are more and more states that are following suit with these different states in order to provide these opportunities for these individuals. Normally a state license requires Social Security information, citizenship type information. So the trend is to try to eliminate that requirement so people who have DACA, for example, can get these sorts of approvals. So we're talking the medical field, dentists are getting these, some professionals like lawyers are able to get these sorts of approvals. Teachers, special education teachers in particular, in certain states are able to get these licenses. This is very, very good news, and this is a trend that is going to continue, and it's going to be the next evolution for people who don't have traditional immigration status to be able to live and work and perform professional occupations in the United States. If you have any questions about any of these types of issues, please call our office, and I'm happy to speak with you, happy to help you with any issues you have. Thank you.